Hey there, my friend, Coach Christian here. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, what I wanted to do is Hey there, my friends, Coach Kshentia here. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I want to talk to you about how I'm using my marketing system, which is called the Conversion Pros. It's an all-in-one capture page system, funnel builder, and it allows you to create custom sales pages, which also can help you get conversions in your business. So I just wanted to make this video today to show you how I'm using the Conversion Pros to actually direct people to my offers, and actually not just pass them off to an affiliate marketing offer, rather it be a webinar, etc. But I'm literally making a quick video, it's called, also known as a bridge page, to let them know why I think that they should take a look at it, and then I'm sending them off to the affiliate offer. So in this case, I'm inviting my people to join me in a webinar, and rather than just send them to a page, I'm telling them from my viewpoint why I think this would be good for them in their business. I made a quick video here, and I'm telling them about the challenge and why it can help them in their business. And then what I'm going to do is put it in a capture page, or not a capture page, a sales page, so that I can send them directly to the affiliate offer. This helps me get more conversions. So if you're looking to get more conversions in your offers, rather than just send people directly to some of your affiliate offers, you know, put a page in between there where you are literally there, introducing yourself and introducing the offer. This is known as branding, right? So this is allows you to create a branded sales page within your business. And you know, people always talk about branding. Well, this is it. Putting yourself between you and the offer, so that you're the gateway to the program, service, product, opportunity, etc. Okay, this is the same strategy that I've used to create over $30,000 in my primary affiliate business. So I want to just show you how I do that. So in the Conversion Pros, if you come over here on the left hand side to Page Builder, I can click on that, and it allows you to have access to all these pre-done pages, and it's pretty drag and drop. Okay, so in this case, I want to simply make a quick sales page where it has a headline, a video of me, and a button where they can immediately go register for the webinar, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create this page. It's already done. I'm going to hit edit. Okay, and what I'm going to do is immediately come over here to the left. I'm going to name my page. So I'm going to name it 5-Day. Okay, and then okay, and then what I want to do is, after I've named my page, I'm going to hit Save Lander and make sure it saves. Now I have the ability to come in here and I can customize this entire page. First thing I'm going to do is delete anything that I don't want. So like here, I don't want all this stuff on the page, so I'm going to hit Delete Component. Let's see, is there anything in between here? I'm going to delete this. Let's delete. Okay, let's delete this here. Delete. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Delete. And one more thing. Yes, I want to delete that. Okay, so now I have, I can go in and start making edits to what I want. So the first thing I want to do is change the background. And because I want this, the great thing about the Conversion Pros is no matter what your niche, product, service, opportunity, they have all types of images and things like that where you can customize a professional capture page. In my case, I just simply want to make it a colored background. So what I'm going to do is scroll up to where I see colors. Let's see. Did I scroll past it? I probably did, because I'd be moving too fast. Okay, in this case, let's just go with Facebook. Okay, we'll use the Facebook background. Okay, so I can select any of these backgrounds. Let's just select this one, and I'm going to hit confirm. Okay, boom, I have a background. Okay, now what I'm going to do is edit my title for what I wanted to say. And this is a challenge, so I'm going to say recruit more reps in your business. Okay, and then I'm going to hit Shift Enter. It's going to space it down. Then I'm going to Control Control B to bold it. Okay, now I can also change the color, but for purposes of today I want to keep it super simple. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy my YouTube link that I want. I'm going to hit edit content, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the link right there. Okay, hit save, and boom, my video pops up there. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and say something like reserve your I'm going to say spots are limited, because they are. Spots are limited. Okay, and let's see. I'm going to go over to style and just make this a little bit bigger. Okay, there you go. Spots are limited, and then I'm going to edit my button. Okay, so I'm going to say reserve your seat now. Reserve your seat. Okay, there you go. Hit stop. Yeah, reserve your seat. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is go ahead and grab my link. So let me pause this and grab my link. Okay, so now all I have to do is hit style for the button. Okay, it's going to say right here, it says link. I'm going to go right there. I'm going to go ahead, backspace, and paste my link. Okay, and then I'm going to hit stop editing, and it will update and save my changes where it says save lander. Okay, boom, I have a landing page. Okay, and the beauty of this is rather than just passing people off to my offer, I have literally slapped myself in between and said, hey, here's the offer, here's what it's going to do for you. I'm excited for you to look at it. On the next page, you know, reserve your seat, go ahead and check it out, whatever you want to say. And I pass them off to the affiliate offer. I've been doing this in my business for now going on 2 years. So this is the same process that you want to learn how to do. The Conversion Pros allows you to create professional pages and do the same thing. So let me pause this, and we're going to take a look at what this page looks like. Okay, so now I'm in where it says page builder, and I can go and click on the page I just created. I'm going to hit preview, and it's going to open in a new tab. So this is what the people, I just send them this link, and they will see this page, and it says 5 days to recruit more reps in your business. It explains to them what I want them to know about the invite, and immediately when they click on this button, boom, it sends them to the affiliate offer. Okay, so let's just make sure that that works, and there it is. This is the webinar registration page. Okay, so this is the process that I use to pass people off to my affiliate offers. You know, ones that I'm passionate about, ones that I think will help other people in their business, and it helps brand me. So if you're looking to get more conversions in your business, you definitely want a system like this. Rather than sending people directly to your sales pages for your company and things like that, because one, people get lost in the sauce. A lot of affiliate pages are they're kind of confusing, and they have a lot of different you know, buttons and menus and all types of things like that. So you can utilize this opportunity to not only tell people how excited you are for them to see whatever it is that you're passing off to welcome them, to tell them who you are, but also use the opportunity to get some quick directions like, hey, on the next page, look for this, look for that. And that's another thing. Giving directions has also helped me get more conversions in my business. So if you want to get access to the Conversion Pros, beneath this video will be more information about how to get access to the Conversion Pros. And what I'm giving as a bonus to people who upgrade with me in the Conversion Pros, meaning that you're not just doing a trial, you're actually getting the tool to use it to grow your business. I'm going to give you access to my list building challenge for free as a bonus, right? And it's going to show you step by step how to grow your business via list building. Okay, it's going to help you set up within your first 5 days, so you can start getting your first leads within your first 5 days. Okay, once you understand that process, you winning. All right, so that's it. Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Bye bye.